Bringing a subject to life is my aim for every portrait. In this video, I'll walk you through my process of drawing a 5x7-inch pencil portrait of a cat named Sketch. Over the years, I've learned which techniques work best for me. That's why I like to outline using a grid and a mechanical pencil. It's easy to erase and keep track of important details this way. For the base layers, I'm starting with these H pencils, 4H followed by 2H, to cover the surface and add as much tonal value as possible with these numbered H pencils. They're ideal for light layers. A grayscale image clearly shows the light, medium, and dark values. This tonal value is what I pay attention to while drawing. Blending with the facial tissue after each pencil layer softens any harsh strokes. Here are two types of HB pencils I'll be using. One is regular and the other is matte. The black matte is slightly darker, which is going to be ideal for those dark values. What gives an object or an animal, in this case, 3D qualities is tonal value. With each layer, my focus is on sculpting with light, medium, and dark values. The storytelling feature on Sketch the Cat is his wide-eyed gaze. Adding a contrasting highlight with a narrow stick eraser will not only give the illusion of gloss, but will also bring the eyes to life. For the rest of the portrait layers, I will be using a 2B, 4B, 5B, and 6B pencil. Experiment with multiple grades of pencils to find the combination that best suits your style. The fur around the nose is the lightest, so I'm using another stick eraser to dab off some graphite. You can even use a kneaded or a block eraser to do the same. It's just a matter of preference. To keep the brightness of this area from taking over the main features of the face, I use a tissue to gently blend and push that area back. Now it's time to add fine details with a narrow eraser. Once again, using a facial tissue to blend will soften any harsh strokes of graphite or even eraser highlights. To sum it up, identify the storytelling features, use tonal value to bring them to life, and blur the rest with a soft tissue. Drawing a realistic portrait from a photograph or even from life is less about capturing the exact likeness and more about showcasing at least a hint of the cat's personality. Well, I hope you found the tips and techniques in this demo helpful. Thanks for watching!